Welcome to this short video about feedback and what to do with it. Once you've handed an assessment in, most people are keen to get their marks back as soon as possible. Those marks, of course, are important, but they aren't the whole story. It's just as important to look carefully at the feedback that goes alongside your marks, as this can give you invaluable advice and insights into where you can improve your work next time and what you do well. Next, we'll look at some practical ideas for you to make the most of your feedback at university. Whenever you get feedback from a piece of work, make sure that you don't just read the feedback once and then discard it. Creating and keeping a log of all your feedback will really help you to keep track of how you're developing and the skills that you need to work on in the future. By regularly reviewing your feedback log, you may begin to see trends in the comments that you receive about your work. Maybe you consistently have problems with particular skills such as referencing or using punctuation properly, or perhaps you are particularly good at reflective writing. Knowing your skills and weaknesses puts you in a good position to move your academic work forward. You can take this a stage further by creating an action plan based on what you find out. Reviewing this action plan regularly will help you to move it forward. This example shows how you can make sure that your action plan is practical and achievable. These are specific goals that you can work towards and tick off. Don't forget that the feedback that you receive at university may not always be individual or written down. On occasions, your lecturers may give verbal feedback to you in groups. This might sound too generic to be useful, but feedback is always given in response to the lecturer spotting specific issues in the work of your group. Keep a note of this feedback and check these points against your own work. You may find that there are some useful pointers that really help you. Getting positive feedback is always nice. It's a good tip to keep a note of what went particularly well in your work and to keep a record of this. You might try to identify what was particularly successful about this work and how you could achieve this again in the future. To find out more about developing your academic skills, please go to the Skills at Library website.